as days go by, get closer to peace. I got the third eye open with the main two. I can see myself elevating with you. Time stops for intimacy, sweet honeybee of infinity. Your pheromones are intoxicating, they're so inviting, no hesitating. All I wanna do is soak it, poke it, stroke it, might fuck around and provoke it. Spread your wings with a fly, you can get the caterpillar. Michael Jackson when I bid it, cause you know I got the thriller. Only thing on my mind is you. Let's connect and tap into Oasis, lumberjack flow. I'ma lay the wood down, so I guess I'm a sap for your goodness gracious.
Take a trip to O'Reilly, let's reside. Fuck to wasted that morning glow, but it's headed for you already know. That full moon, heart of the sea, that shit's wild, I'm set free. There's nowhere else I'd rather be.
Check it.
I got nature's love next to me.
Good looks are temporary and this body's just a vessel. My heart's not stone, baby girl, it's metal. And the fire that you bring make me melt and soften. Remind me of the feelings I've forgotten. A love like this, how can I refuse? Permanent like the ink of tattoos. Shapes of the moon in its different phases. The reflection of our love amidst. My soul calls to you for an eternal dance. Something I never felt before, I swear I'm in a trance. Leaves dancing to the rhythm of the wind. The helix bond that I feel within. As the moon illuminates the night sky. This moment's so perfect, just you and I. Alien girl, thoughts of you has invaded the places that I keep barricaded.
Take a trip to O'Reilly, let's reside.